Hola chicos, part 2. Yan, nakasakay kami ng bus galing airport and papunta rin kaming ibang bus terminal wherein doon kami sasakay papuntang Ocean Park. And yung pamasahe nila dito sa bus is like 25 pesos only per person. So yan nga. This route is going to south. Charot, hindi po ako expert. We're just going like nakatingin lang kami all the time sa map. Kasi we really don't know, we don't have a tour guide. Yan, naghihintay na kami ng pila. What amazed me is like, every time nasasakay ka ng bus, you have to pila. Talagang pipila ka. Bawal sumingit. Unlike other buses, like, pwede ka nang sumakay kagad. In Cebu, guys, you have to pila kasi maraming sasakay and sometimes, like, sa sobrang dami ng tao, kailangan mo maghintay ng bus. There, you can see like South Road Properties. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, we're going to South. And ilang oras lang din yung biyahe. It's like 30 minutes kung hindi masyadong traffic. Yan, nasa Ocean Park na kami. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-video. But ang entrance po sa Ocean Park is 1,000 plus. I don't really remember magkano exactly, but I can remember it's like 1,000 plus because it's like weekends. So medyo mahal pag weekends and regular price naman pag weekdays. Amazing talaga yung mga colors ng fish and may mga corals din. It's inside of the aquarium, guys. May iba't ibang animals din akong nakita dito sa Ocean Park and I was like just thinking na maybe it's just like sea animal lahat ang nandito, but I was wrong kasi may ibang animals din sila dyan. And that's turtle, mata turtle. May fish din kasi may water naman dyan. There are lizards. I don't know kung nabubuhay din ba sila sa water, but there's lizard there. And yung best friend nyo, guys, may ahas, yung pet peeve nyo. Yan. Oh my god, ang ganda niya, but still ahas pa rin. Ahas is ahas.